have been well received. We obviously could not all enter because the office would not accommodate us, so we divided and some were left in the waiting room. Some of us went in, but eventually he has seen all the visiting lawyers who have come in as observers. And we have agreed that, or rather we have pointed out to him, as of today, the prisons have no valid warrant to be able to continue holding Dr Kizza Besigye and Obeid Lutale, as the court at Makindye did not sit today following the court's ruling. It means the warrant has not been extended for detention. But the commissioner requires, the prisons require the advice of the Attorney General. So there are certain actions to be taken to expedite that, and that's what we are going to do. But we realize that, yes, we need to engage the Attorney General's office. We already were in the process of doing that, but we needed to point out to the prisons that they have no valid warrant to continue remanding our clients. Yeah.
Did they show any hope of signs that they are going to hit to this?
I don't think we have any problem with the prisons, but we all know that any government department relies on the advice of the Attorney General. Our call is to the Attorney General to expedite, because this situation is untenable. Should they fail to release Dr Besigye and Lutale today, they will be holding them illegally. Yeah.
Yes, we raised it and discussed it, and in his own words, he assured us that they don't want to turn prisons into a rogue force. Those are his words. A rogue force, meaning that they operate outside the law, continuing remanding Dr Besigye, Obeid, Lutale and other political prisoners without valid remand warrant.
Yes.
Because the warrant expired today, and even if it were not to expire this morning, it had been quashed by the Supreme Court on Friday. He recognizes that fact. And he told us that immediately, because he was following the proceedings, that immediately he reached out to the Attorney General for advice. And since then, he has been waiting for that communication from the Attorney General. And as he's seated in the office there, he's waiting for the communication from the Attorney General. And we had to give him that benefit of doubt for today, rather for now, as we also pursue it with the Attorney General. But it can't last for long, because if it is never to come, of course we have to take other measures, and we're already exploring taking other measures. We can't wait for the Attorney General. The Attorney General came and gave his opinion in the court, which was quashed. The Supreme Court rejected the opinion of the Attorney General. And now, his opinion on the existence of the General Court Martial, now what is left is implementation of the, or enforcement of the Supreme Court decision.
I think Martha wants to where we are.
Yeah, I have it. That's why I'm trying. The press team will remain down. The press team will remain down. The press will remain down, please.
No, seriously.
The space is small.
Space is